Hello and welcome to week 30. This is assignment 3. This is our week for vocabulary. We're going to be doing vocabulary about coding, since that is what we're learning for the next few weeks. So all your vocabulary will be coding related. So what you are going to do is, just like every other week we have done vocabulary. This is the video that you're watching. This is your practice. So you can either copy and paste this link, or you can click on this link, whichever one. So you can select it and say go to, and then it is an Angry Birds vocabulary, and you click on start. You click on start, and you will come up with the questions and answers to the words for the vocabulary. Once you are done, then you will go back to the quiz. You may take the quiz one time. It is a quiz, just like if you were in any other classroom. It is a multiple choice quiz this week, so you'll just click on it, and it should take you to the quiz. So it will ask the question, and then you'll have your answers. You'll have your questions down here, and then you'll have a submit button. If you have any problems or questions, please message me and let me know. And if not, have a wonderful week.